Hi guys, with another video. This Vizio TV is not working anymore, and I just decide to take apart and see what is inside, and I try to fix it, but I wasn't able to, and it's not worth it to give somebody to fix it because they charging $200 or $300. This is the 47-inch smart TV, and let's go ahead and take apart. And as you see, this is the, what is this? This is the, I think it's the main board, and let's take it out the main board. This is not working, and this is the all right. One screw, two. Yeah, its screen was black, and I tried all the things what I need to try, and nothing works. Yeah, just I want to take apart. That's it. This is the one. This is like this. Right. I would like to fix it, but it doesn't count. This is the right there. All right. What else we're gonna take it out? This is the one. All right. This goes all the way here. Pull it, and here you are. Oh no, this is one more thing that I have to pull it. Okay. Maybe I can sell this part as is. What else? What else I can? Speakers. Maybe these are the speakers. Maybe I can sell it, or maybe not. Let's put it aside. And what else? I don't know what is this for, but let's take apart. Oh, this is the one. I don't know what is that for. And what else? This is the cable, goes all the way to the screen, I think. All right, almost there. Right there. Okay, take it this far. So today I decided I will not hold on it anymore, this TV, because there is no solution at all. My part, I mean, maybe you guys know how to fix it. That was a black screen. Once again, I would like to tell you, black screen, and power was okay. I tried a couple of techniques that I thought maybe it's gonna work, but it didn't. So I didn't have any solution. So before I dump it, and I will show you what's inside. This is not good, I think. So many screws. Oh, here too. I think there is a couple of screws here. Right here, one is gone. Second here. This is gone to one more here. Wow, a lot of screws. That's why when you give the repairman to fix this TV, it's gonna take time. And screw all over the place, screw. They have to take it apart, and it's gonna cost a lot of money because they will spend so much time fixing this. It's better to buy the new one instead of repairing, because I asked a couple of parts how much it's gonna cost me, and even the company, they don't sell the part, they wanna sell the TV. Here you are. So that's the reason. Yeah, just buy the TV and do not waste your time like me, and just go ahead and buy the TV. Okay, what is this? Is, I think, what they call, I don't remember right now, but okay, this is the, what else I have to take? This is I have to take it. Screws are here. One more screw here. All right, doesn't matter anymore, right? Break everything, right? I don't know, there's a lot of screws on this side too. I mean, I don't know, I'm tired of this, taking out the screws. I got this. Wow. Here too. Okay. What else? Hola. Come on. Okay, guys, I think I messed up everything. Anyway, break it. Take it, this screws. Okay, this. Alright, this came out. I think this is the screen. Here you are. Screen is here. This is the screen. So I broke it right here. I shouldn't say it's broke now. That's okay. It's gone. Anyway. Alright, what else? This white. What is this? Wow, so stubborn. So stubborn. There. Okay. This. Okay. Come on. Couple of more here. One more screw. Wow. All right. I think we're getting there. Yeah. Let's see. From this side, maybe I can get. This is okay, but the other side, I have to take it out this side too. Then I can reach the inside. I think there is a light there inside. One more screw. All right, done. Okay, that's it. That's it. Let's go. I think that's it. Right. Oh, it's still here. There's a couple of screws here too. One, two, and I think here one more. And one more here. Anyway, faster. Wow. That's it. That should be done. Okay. This is the one inside. This the white thing. And after that, another white. And then this is the lights. These are the lights, so we reached to that point. Now, as you see, all about this, I mean, there is nothing else. Alright guys, I hope it's helpful. This is the Vizio right here. And I took all this part and see what's inside. Alright. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.